Hello, David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm on a brand new 2020 190 SPX. This boat has a horizon side color, a dune interior. We have sea deck on the swim platform. As I move through the walk-through transom, we have a storage door back here with a carry-off cooler inside, also a battery switch. Farther into the cockpit, we open the engine hatch. There's storage on the starboard side. We have a cooler center filled with all your nice cool drinks, being you can't stop anywhere. More storage underneath this starboard side seat. We have the port side bench, our flip-up bolster on our captain's chair, our analog gauges up here with a digital depth finder. Boat's got an infinity woven flooring, of course a bimini top, storage underneath both seats, storage underneath the port side helm with a lockable glove box. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.